welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚�𝑗𝑜𝑦 and Mr. Traveler. We are doing one of my favorite things that I love to do on a cruise. Anytime you take a vacation, you want to make sure you unwind, relax, and incorporate wellness into your routine when you're on a vacation. We are going to the spa. As you can see, we have on our robes. Thank you so much, Mardi Gras Carnival, and we are going down to the spa. I'm going to show some things that you can do in the spa, and hopefully this video will help you. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I love to do things like this. Excuse my hair because we just left dinner, so I'm not really dressed up or anything, but I'm going to take you down. Let's go. Go.
Jack 5.
Hello.
Alright, there you go. Have a seat.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're about to get our massages now. Mr. Traveler, this is me. And I'll try to do some clips, but we're getting a full massage with Stone, so be back in a minute. Hey everybody, so I just finished up my spa treatment. It felt wonderful. I have to recommend the Carnival Mardi Gras in the spa area. You have to come see my girl. What's your name? Taffy. Here she is right here. It was amazing. I have eucalyptus eye treatment going on, and let me take this off, and I really enjoyed it. When you come for a massage, make sure you wear something very light because you're gonna have a lot of oil on you. So this is what I have on. I just wore some sandals with like a light shirt, and you can get undressed fully if you want to, or you can keep clothes on, and Mr. Traveler have on his robe and some flip-flops. It was amazing. And we're in the thermal spa. Okay, so here's some products we picked up from the spa. It's called timelessspa.com, and I started with the lime and ginger glow. This is a salt glow, and it's an exfoliant for your skin. As you guys know, I was bit by a snake, so I'm trying to lighten that spot this down there on my ankle. And if you haven't seen the video, I'll click it right here. And I would like to use a scrub on my skin to exfoliate and lighten any dark spots. So it smells wonderful, and I'll be showing a routine of that. This is a Targeted Tony Body Moisturizer from Elements, and this is supposed to help cellulite. This one, and then there's an Instant Refresh Gel. That's what we were getting our massage with. This one right here. There's a little glare. Sorry. And then this one is for achy muscle super soak. This is a bath soak, and it's for muscle relaxation. It has rosemary, Jupiter in it, and thyme, and it warms and recharges and energizes. This one. And then this is also a muscle release active body oil. This is what they use to massage us with as well. It feels so good, and it's for any tired legs and muscle tension. It has rosemary, maritime pine, and sea fennel in it, and it relieves, relaxes, and soothes your muscles.